Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at a problem in physics under the simple pendulum. So the question says, given that the bulb of a simple pendulum moved from A to C, and back to B, from A to C and back to B, okay, in 1 second. So the time is 1 second. Calculate the period and frequency of the simple pendulum. In this case, it is so important to know that the movement from A to B is 1/4 oscillations. Then from B to C is also 1/4 oscillations. Now, after knowing that, it is really important for us to understand to say, since from B to C is the same distance from C to B, therefore we say the movement from C to B is also 1/4. In this case, remember, we want to calculate a period. So period is equal to time divided by number of oscillations. In this case, number of oscillations are gotten from here. Therefore, we're going to say number of oscillation is equal to 1/4, which is from A to B. Again, 1/4 from B to C. Again, 1/4 from C to B. So plus 1/4 plus 1/4. When we add these, we get 3/4, which is the same as number of oscillations as 7.5. After knowing this, then we'll go ahead and calculate the period. So period is equal to time. They are saying 1 second. So 1 second divided by number of oscillations, which is 0.75. When we calculate using the calculator, period will be equal to 1.3333 up to infinity. It goes like that. So our period will be equal to 1.33 seconds. So we'll end there. Now, to calculate frequency, the formula for frequency says frequency is equal to 1/period. In this case, we are going to say frequency is equal to 1 divided by the period, which is 1.33, like this, 33 seconds. So remember, we are using hertz, but for period it is seconds. So frequency will be equal to what do we get when we calculate? What do we get when we calculate? Okay, let's calculate. Which is 0.75 hertz. 0.75 hertz. Now, there is another way to calculate frequency. Shortcut. Frequency is equal to number of oscillations divided by time. In this case, we are going to say frequency is equal to number of oscillations, which is 0.75 divided by time, which is 1 second. So frequency will be equal to 0.75 hertz. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.